Today, we are diving deep into LiveTrader, an automated trading bot designed to help crypto traders execute their strategies with precision. Right from the homepage, you can see that LiveTrader emphasizes flexibility and automation. The interface is modern and intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to get started. After logging in, the dashboard provides a clear overview of your active trading bots, portfolio performance, and market trends. LiveTrader supports multiple exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, and Bitfinex, allowing users to connect their account through API keys securely. One of the standout features is its vast marketplace of pre-configured trading strategies. These range from simple trend-following strategies to more complex algorithmic approaches, making it accessible to traders with varying levels of expertise. Customization is a key aspect of LiveTrader. Users can create their own trading bots by adjusting indicators, entry and exit rules, and risk management parameters. The Strategy Builder is a powerful tool, offering a drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the process of developing automated trading strategies without requiring coding knowledge. Backtesting is another essential feature that LiveTrader offers. Before deploying a bot in live trading, users can test their strategies using historical market data. The backtesting engine provides detailed performance metrics, helping traders refine their strategies and improve profitability. In addition, LiveTrader offers paper trading, allowing users to simulate real market conditions without risking actual funds. When it comes to pricing, LiveTrader provides multiple subscription plans tailored to different levels of traders. The free version is limited in features, but the paid plans unlock more advanced automation capabilities, higher trade limits, and additional technical indicators. The premium plans also include priority support and access to a larger selection of trading strategies. Security is always a concern when dealing with trading bots, and LiveTrader addresses this with API key encryption and two-factor authentication. Since the bot operates directly through exchange APIs, funds remain in the user's exchange account, reducing counterparty risk. However, as with any automated trading tool, users should always exercise caution and employ risk management strategies. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video. Navigating through the settings, LiveTrader allows users to customize notifications, set up email alerts, and manage risk levels efficiently. This ensures that traders stay informed about their bot's performance in real time. Additionally, the platform provides educational resources, including blog articles and tutorials, to help users maximize the potential of automated trading. While LiveTrader offers a solid set of features, it's essential to compare it with other trading bots in the market. Competitors like 3, CryptoHopper, and Pinex provide similar automation tools, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The key advantage of LiveTrader lies in its highly customizable strategy builder and backtesting capabilities, which can be game changers for traders looking to fine-tune their bots. Overall, LiveTrader is a powerful trading automation platform for those looking to enhance their crypto trading strategies. With its flexible bot customization, backtesting features, and multi-exchange support, it caters to a wide range of traders. However, as with any automated tool, results depend on the quality of the trading strategy and market conditions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews on trading bots, crypto tools, and market insights. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update.